Hi, I'm your host Jordan Yang. Welcome to Uni-Rex 5817. Last week was our seasonal kickoff.
Our team was anticipating the new game for hours. We all gathered together to strategize how we will work to overcome this year's game as a team.
During this meeting, we got together in separate groups to review the different aspects of the guidebook.
These groups were given these sections: human players, match play, rules, field, and robot construction.
Parents also assisted in bringing breakfast, lunch, and dinner to help feed the team throughout the day. Thank you, boosters. And that's all for our quick evaluation of Uni-Rex's kickoff day. Thank you for watching.